Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing some bike maintenance. So, funny story, I believe that I have grown out of my Yamaha 125, YZ125, and yeah, I'm trying to sell some parts for her now. So got some burnout tyres and some spare parts and a Sherco Cheetah 505 that I'm trying to sell with my 125. And yeah, she needs a few things that needs to be done to her before I sell her off. So yeah, that's what we'll be doing today. So it's a maintenance video. Yeah, I won't really be doing any tutorials or anything, but yeah, just something to watch. And you'll notice that my two mountain bikes are not functional at the moment. I'm waiting on parts for this one, and this one's wrecked, so I'll probably strip that apart in another video, that giant. I'll probably strip that one in another video and get that ready to sell on Marketplace as well. So yeah, should be an interesting week now that I'm in the school holidays. So yeah, let's get into it. Oh, and by the way, I do have to do a little bit of cleaning beforehand. So yeah, there's a little bit of cleaning to do beforehand. And there are my three beautiful dogs. Hey Jess. Hey Sam. Hey Tiger. Sam, Jess and Tiger. Yeah. Yeah, I said your name. Yeah, so yeah, those are the three projects I got going on. And then the absolute mess that I've got. So yeah, anyway, let's get into it. And now we got our music going, we got door shut so there's no heap of sunlight coming in. Yeah, it's time to start cleaning the bench a little bit. And then we'll yeah, get on to pulling apart the good old YZ. So so we have gotten the bench all sorted. We've got the bench all sorted now, and now it is time to move on with the bike. Let's go. So that is the teardown done. The teardown is complete. We have fully teared down my YZ125, and I'd say tomorrow we will be doing some cleaning. So we'll get the pressure washer out and we'll wash all the stuff that we can pressure wash and wrap some stuff that we can pressure wash. And then once we've done that, we will start to put everything back together once we've cleaned everything and sorted a few bits and pieces out, like the radiators and whatnot. I reckon I can bend them back out a little bit, and with the motor I'll probably wash that by hand, and the carby by hand, whatnot. Decontaminate any brakes that need decontaminating, tighten any bolts, Loctite bolts, and nuts, and just check everything works, and oil bearings, grease bearings, check the forks, and give it all a good clean, ready for the new owner if someone buys it. So tomorrow we'll be cleaning, maybe Loctite. Well, if we get through all the cleaning before noon, we will do the we'll start putting it back together, and grease, Loctite, and make it all look good, and put it all to factory spec and torque everything and whatnot. So that's that. Sounds good. Rightio. We'll catch you in the next video.